Hi everyone, it's Robin and welcome back to another Thrift Store Thursday. And not only is it Thrift Store Thursday today, but much more excitingly, it is Christmas Eve and I am so excited for Christmas to begin. Actually, we do our Christmas here as a family today, and then tomorrow we go and hang out with my sister and her family, and my ice maker is making a lot of noise. I apologize. So I went back and forth about whether or not to actually have a video this week because it fell on Christmas Eve. But I wanted to go ahead and do it anyways. I decided because I wanted to be able to wish you guys all a very Merry Christmas. I feel like you all have become part of my personal family. I know a lot of you will comment every single week and we chat back and forth, and I just enjoy that so much. So not only have we become friends, but I feel like you are part of my family. So I wanted to be able to say Merry Christmas to you. I hope you have a fabulous time with friends and family if you're able to get together with them. So whatever your plans are for this holiday season, I hope you have a very enjoyable, relaxing, and memorable time with your family. I know I'm looking forward to it very much. And I actually am feeling very, very thankful this year because with all that has been going on, I feel like there's been like this resurgence of family, emphasis on family and family doing things together, which is very difficult to do when you have older children like I do and they have like their, all their activities that they're always doing. So I feel like I have been very blessed these last few months in being able to rekindle a connection with them. Not that I felt like I had lost a connection with them, but I feel like I have just got so much more time to spend on my family, and I'm loving that, and I'm so very thankful for it. So that is one thing that I am very much cherishing about this year of craziness. And I hope that you guys are as well. And I hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas. Alright, so with all that being said, let's just go ahead and jump into the haul. I did find a few things that I want to share with you. Not a whole lot. So it'll be a really quick video today. And I'll try to get through this really fast so not to keep you from your family today. What was I going to say? Oh, I found some Christmas stuff. Actually, most of this I found last week because I did a lot of thrifting last week when I was supposed to be Christmas shopping. Like every time I went on Christmas shopping, I just happened to stop by a thrift store at the same time. I'm terrible, but that's okay. So I'll share with you the Christmas stuff first, and then I have some really fun other things to share with you as well. So, yeah, let's go ahead and do this. So the first thing I found was a little Santa salt and pepper shaker. And I think he is so adorable. He doesn't have a match, but he looks like he should probably have a little match, like he's kind of kissing. So I'm assuming there was Mrs. Claus that originally went with him. But he is super adorable, and he was only 99 cents. So I picked him up, and I think he's super cute. He doesn't have, oh wait, he does have a little sticker on the bottom. Let's see if I can read this microscopic lettering here. Oh, it just says Made in Japan. So that's about all it says on there. So, yeah. All right. That's cool. All right, Santa, stand up here. There we go. All right, so then there's the next one. I'm assuming this is like a little planter or something. I'm not really sure. It's another little Santa figure, and I got this one on sale for $1.49. I think the Christmas stuff was like, I don't know, must have been on sale or something like that. But this little guy is so adorable. He's a little Santa. He's got a little gift down here, and then another one on the other side, and then he's actually carrying like his gift bag. So you could put some little florals in there, some little Christmas little doodads in there, and I think that is so cute. The back side, he's got quite a few little gifts there. So I don't know, I just thought he was really cute, and I like the fact that I could put something in there like a little bottle brush tree or something like that, some little baby candy cans. I don't know, we shall see. We shall see. He won't make it into the decor this year because I'm pretty much ready to move on to my winter decor at this point. Let's see. Okay, created exclusively for Avon in Korea. So Avon 1982, all rights reserved. So it was an Avon piece. I did not realize that. That's super cute. 1982. He's adorable. All right, so then the other thing that I picked up, this is probably going to sound really silly, but I watched, whose video was it? Crazy for Retro, that's what it is. And they do like this display in their window, like for the holidays and stuff. And one of the things, and it's really super duper cute, super cute. But one of the things they had in there were tree toppers, like vintage tree toppers. And they just kind of had them, you know, hanging over the stuff that below it. And I thought it was such a cool idea that I want to start collecting tree toppers, vintage tree toppers. So I found one at the store. Let's see, and this ended up being $3.99, and it looks like this. It's a little gold sparkly number, and then it's got like these little, I don't know, bubble things on them. I don't know. It's kind of weird. I understand this, but I like the sparkliness of it. And I like that it wasn't exactly a true star shape. It's more of a star burst, if you know what I mean. So I picked this guy up, and I have him lit up and sitting on my little, what do you call that? Little metal chair that's got the little feet that come out. Do you know what I mean? I don't know what it's called. But anyways, it's basically underneath my little tinsel tree, all lit up and looking oh so fabulous. And I love it so much. So, my first little tree topper. I mean, I had one years ago that I got rid of, and I don't know why I got rid of it. But so I'm looking for more tree toppers, and I think they are so much fun, and I think they'll be fun to decorate with. So that was cool. The next thing I picked up was $10, and it is something to go with our little Christmas village that we are now putting underneath our Christmas tree. And it is this little guy right here. It's a little merry-go-round. It does, let's see if I can turn it on without the music. It has two options. You can turn it on, or you can turn it on with music. So I'll just do without the music. I think it plays like Jingle Bells or something like that, but it lights up and it turns around and it's super duper cute. And I love the fact that it is battery operated, which I think is adorable. And it's so much easier than having all those little cords all the time running all over the place. So I'm loving this. I think maybe after Christmas I might go back and try to find some more pieces that we can add to it. But I just wanted to add a fun little piece. The kids thought it was fun to add a couple more pieces this year. So I'm hoping to pick up one house. I've got my eye on a house that I didn't buy last week. I might pick it up if it's still there next week. But anyways, I thought that was really fun. All right, so then moving on to non-Christmas related items, I found myself a set of pillowcases in a glorious pink and white. They were let's see, how much were they? Yeah, I got them on sale for $2.24, and they're just cutesy little pillowcases. They've got a cute little pink and white stripe, and then it's got the little pink band at the bottom, and there's two of them, which is awesome. So I love these. I don't know, I've really been into pink lately, which is not a color that I really like. I did my living room spring decor in pink, and ever since I'm like, I need more pink in my house. So yeah, I'm loving these. So I'm hoping I'll probably use those maybe in my spring decor in my bedroom, or maybe out on my sleeping porch for the summer. So I thought that was really fun. All right, so this next item I am so thrilled about. It was originally $12.99, and I got it for $9.74 because I had a discount that day that I happened to be shopping. And it is a set of champagne glasses, and they are absolutely gorgeous. This is the brand right here, if you can see that. It's in French. I have no idea how to pronounce French, but I love these. I have like some knockoff ones like this that I've had for years, just from like Target. Are you going to be able to focus? There we go. And they are absolutely beautiful, and I love them so much. So now I have 6 more. So I think I have a total of 12 now, which is awesome. Maybe not 12. 10. I have a set of 10. Because I had 4 before, and now I have 6 more. And I love these so much. I just love this, you know, the cut glass kind of look at the bottom. and I just think they're so gorgeous. So I love drinking out of this. I actually went and bought myself a little bit of champagne the other day, like little mini bottles of champagne, just so that I could use them in my new little champagne flutes. So I'm loving that. So I thought those were absolutely gorgeous, and I love those. And also, we're going to use them for Christmas. We did this at Thanksgiving time, too. We got, like, sparkling cider, or whatever you call it, or cold duck, or whatever you call it, in, like, 3 different flavors, and we all drank them out of champagne flutes, and it was so much fun. The girls thought that was pretty cool. So we're going to repeat that again for Christmas, because they had fun with it, and I think it's fun to drink out of fun glasses. So that is cool. Alright, so this last item I have to share with you is probably my favorite find of the week. I got an absolutely fabulous deal on it, and it came at a very good time, because just earlier in the week I was like, I need to find myself a small little lamp for my bedroom that I can turn on at night, that's not harsh while I sit and watch TV or something like that, you know what I mean? So I went to the thrift store and I found a fabulous vintage lamp that I'm absolutely over the moon about, and it was only $2. And yeah, it was only $2 total, and I couldn't believe it. It was 50% off that day that I went, and I love it so much. It is a metal lamp, which first of all, metal lamps are so cool, and it is in white and gold. Look at this thing, you guys, it is amazing. I love it so much. Look at this little light. I love the detailing on it, and the fact that it's got these gold little details along all the little, you know, raised, or what do you call this? All the accents points have a little bit of gold to them, and I think it is so cute. And it has a great little click when you turn. Ah, I love it. So anyways, I am super excited to get this into my bedroom, because I don't know if you guys remember or not. You guys may remember that I'm trying to do like a very vintagey vibe in my bedroom, which is a slow process because I don't have a whole lot of stuff for it. So this, I think, is going to look awesome in there, and I just love it. I think it is adorable, and I am so thrilled to have found it. I think it is so much fun. I cannot wait to get it in there. Anyways, and I like my lamp, guys, a lot. Alright, so that is what I have to share with you guys this week. I hope you enjoyed this video. Would love to know down in the comments which of the items I found this week was your favorite. And of course, as always, if you were out thrifting in your neck of the woods, I would love to know about it down in the comments if you found some amazing things as well. Alright guys, I just wanted to let you guys know that next week, I will not be having a Thrift Store Thursday. I'm going to take a week off, which I typically do from Christmas until New Year's. So I will see you guys again in January for Thrift Store Thursdays. So before I go, let me just wish you guys a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And I will see you again very soon. Bye now.